So this is the little information board that they have here with hundreds of, let's see, with hundreds of waterfall choices. Michigan's Upper Peninsula is overflowing with waterfall viewing opportunities. So that's from one end to the other. I'm in the middle. This is where I live. Right in that little tiny bay across from that island is my home. And you're at that arrow right now. And you already saw the falls. But anyway, so they're numbered according to where they're at here on this map. I won't be able to do all of these because they're in other parts of the UP. But I just thought I'd give you the information provided. There's some old pictures of Wagner. There's another old picture of Wagner, and you can compare it to what it is now. It seems to be a little bit deeper over the years. So, anyway, then there's this little placard over here. I guess I can show that too. Seems how I came back on. I was going to try to make it all one video, but of course my little sister called. I love her to death. She's a beauty. Wagner Falls State Scenic Site. And then this site became the property of the people of Michigan through the generosity of the Michigan Division of the Women's Farm and Garden Association Incorporated, erected by the Natural Resources Commission. This is an expression of gratitude. Well, how nice. It's big, huge ass rock. I had to have brought in here, right? Okay, well, that was our waterfall adventure for today. It's beautiful, not rainy, not sunny, but gorgeous Upper Michigan day. Little sky. I guess the sun's right there because that's the only light in the sky. Hello, sun. Goodbye. And this is 94. I have to cross to get to my car. Love y'all.